What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video. Caitlin and I are going on a bike ride, and I wanted to capture this moment. We are also taking Bruno with us. In my hand is a poop bag. This is very important whenever you take your dog out, because if they poop over here, you can't just let it go. You have to pick it up, and this is the bag for that.
Pick up your trash, people.
High five. Good boy. Bruno, talk to me. Come on. Yeah. One more. Let's go, buddy. By the way, the main topic of this video is about friendship culture, which is the part of cultural talks. Skip to this part. This is the vlog part before we actually talk to. So skip if you don't want to watch the vlog part. Bruno, look at me. Here. You excited? Yeah. Okay. एकदम एक नंबर वेदर है, एक नंबर.
Number one.
Yes, number one. Just to get that shot, I had to do this. Are you having fun, Bruno? Bruno, sit. Are you having fun? Yeah.
High five.
High five. Yeah. Made it home safely and Bruno has to pee.
Sorry for that.
Did you have fun? Yeah.
Look at that smile.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna take shower and then go meet Jacob. See you guys there.
Have fun.
Bye, Annie.
Bye.
This guy right here. Jacob right here. Jacob, you wanna say hi?
Hey everybody, how's it going?
So I think you've been on my channel a couple of times
Yeah,
now.
a couple times, a little bit.
Yeah, just for a tiny bit. We're gonna talk about friendship culture.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, but we're gonna do our walk and then Olivia, if you're watching this, hi. Behind me was that dog park. Everybody brings their dog and dogs can play with each other and make friends. You look like a Hollywood celebrity.
Me?
Yeah.
No, it's just the shades.
I don't think so. Comment and let him know. Like, doesn't he look like a Hollywood star?
Yeah, born and raised in California.
Not LA.
No, not LA.
Jacob, why don't you introduce to my audience? What do you do right now?
Sure, so I'm Jacob. Right now I work as a paralegal for a local law firm with the government.
He's a lawyer, basically.
No, a step below. I help a lot of lawyers, and I do a lot of work with criminal law in general. And
so if you do criminal activities,
yeah, if you do criminal activities, don't come to me because I'll turn you in. You'll get in trouble.
oh, you're not defense lawyer.
Not defending. No.
Got it.
Yeah, we're locking up.
But
the
if
back
someone does criminal activities against you, then you can contact him. So,
yeah, yes,
right?
Exactly. Contact us. We're really good at our job.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Nothing has happened so far, and I hope nothing happens with you as well.
Yeah.
The reason I wanted to bring Jacob to this channel was to talk about friendship. Very first thing I want to talk about is how do people make friends over here? So let's say you were studying in Chico State and I'm studying in Chico State. I wanted to become your friend. We didn't know each other. How do I
If you're, let's say, we're classmates and we have a class, the biggest thing is just like approach them. Like it could be.
Would it be like weird? Like, would you think that I'm so weird? Like, why is he like talking to me?
Not at all.
No, okay.
Now, I think in Americans, they'll get in their heads a lot, where it's like they don't want to embarrass themselves and they don't want to like go outside their comfort zone.
Yeah.
But as soon as someone approaches them and is like, hey, like, do you want to get lunch sometimes? It's always like, oh, yes, of course.
Yeah.
Like, because we're very social culture, very social community.
I 100% agree.
Yeah.
Very friendly.
Yeah. But that first step is what people are afraid of.
Yes.
So it's,
So if you want to, I 100% agree, and that's how I've made a lot of American friends is by just starting that first conversation because exactly what he said, and it's just gonna take you. I know you are scared because you're thinking that what are they gonna think of me? Why am I going? But that's exactly the same thing they are also thinking. How can I go and reach out? So it's better if you really want to make friends, just go and reach out is what I would recommend.
Yeah, I would recommend too. All my Chico State friendships, because when I went to Chico State also.
Yeah.
And I didn't know anybody on campus. And I had a lot of friendships. It'd always be somebody reaching out or me reaching out. Like, we sat next to each other and be like, hey, like, do you want to talk about, as a student, like, you want to talk about this class at lunch? And they'd be like, yeah, like, definitely. The best way to make new friends is to find a common ground.
Right.
Whether it be a club or a sport or, like, maybe you go to the same coffee shop every day.
Yeah.
And you see locals. Like, find something in common.
Yes.
I know a lot of people who, they move and they have a hard time making friends, and then I'm like, well, maybe try going, like, to something of interest.
Right. And I think that's where the student clubs come into a place a lot, like getting involved, because there's going to be so many events where you'll find so many people.
Yeah.
And if you go there, there's going to be a lot of activities, and if you participate, you'll make friends.
Yeah. I think a lot of people like to be, like I said, like part of a clique.
Yeah.
So if you like join a club, it's almost like you're already in that clique.
The similar interest.
Yeah, it's like all of a sudden you're in it, everyone's in it together. Like, anytime I'm part of a group, whatever, it could be a class or a club, or everyone's immediately like, as soon as I'm in, it's like you're accepted.
Yeah.
And so like friendships just start to naturally grow from there.
I agree. I personally feel that a lot of friendship in America is like shallow, which is like upper level, not like super deep.
Yeah.
Some I mean, I'm not saying that. I do have a lot of friends where I can, talk like life stuff and relationship stuff and money stuff. Like we were discussing just before filming this, like real life stuff. So would you agree, or what's your take on that?
I think it has to. I agree. There's a lot of shallow relations. And I think Americans don't like taking the first step.
Yes.
They don't like going out of their comfort zone. So if you approach them and say, like, let's go to coffee, they're usually like, yeah. And if you approach them with like maybe a deeper subject, then they're like, okay, yeah, I'm open to this.
Yes, yes. But they are very open to small talks. Say what is small talk?
Small talk is like,
hey, what's up?
Yeah. Oh, hey, like, did you see the game last night?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, how's it going?
Very surface level. Very, like, you could say it to a stranger and it wouldn't matter.
Right.
I hate small talk. I'm really bad at small talk.
Yeah. It's like a elevator. If you meet anybody on campus, you can just literally just nod and like, hey, what's up? How's it going? And they'll just say, cool, how's it going with you? And like, there's no meaning in it, but they'll just do it.
It's just like a courtesy. Like, I'll see someone like, oh, like, good morning, how's it going? Oh, it's going good. Okay, have a great day.
Yeah.
That's it.
Right. But it's nice.
I feel like something that I would advise is that not everybody is going to want an emotional connection. Like, some people can be very guarded. And especially in America, I think, the tendency is to have like sort of a lot of superficial friends,
right? And
then a very select few like really deep friends. I 100%
agree. Yes.
And I know some people who want to have like that deep connection with everybody, but it doesn't work that way. Usually it's like I have a lot of people I'll talk to, and then I have like a select few who like those are my close friends, and that's how it is for a lot of people.
Right. And sometimes you also need to give time.
Yes.
Like, it's not going to happen in 5 meetings. Sometimes it's going to take a year or more. to get to really know you and get comfortable to get
Yeah.
that deep level of friendship. How do people sustain their friendship over a long time?
I would say, I mean, you can do a lot of things. The big thing is just put in effort.
Yes.
Because I think some people, like, I'm really bad at this. I'll have a friend who, like, I'll text every once in a while and be like, hey, like, how's it going? And they're like, going good. I'm like, we should meet up. And then I never meet up with them because I'm just busy or I'm a flake. But if you just put in the effort to even, like, I have a couple friends where, like, every, half a year we'll go get coffee.
Yeah.
And, like, just that little effort, like, since we have such a long history, it's like, that keeps the friendship alive.
Yes.
Usually the effort you put in is what they'll give back.
Yes.
So if I, plan a meeting with my friend, every month, then I can expect him to do the same for me.
Yeah.
Which is that nice. Because I think some people are reluctant to reach out to an old friend because, like, oh, they haven't talked to me in a long time.
Yeah.
And it's like, well, when's the last time you talked to them?
Yeah.
It kind of goes both ways. So just put in the effort, and especially in America, I find that people like to hold on to friendships.
Yes.
Especially old friendships.
Yeah.
They'll cling on to those. I just went to dinner recently with a guy who I've known for like 17 or 18 years. Like, we know each other a long time. I haven't seen him for a long time. But since I've known him for so long, it just feels kind of natural.
Nice.
And we always put a little bit of effort in. It just kind of keeps it alive.
Yes.
So.
Hopefully our friendship will also so
double that.
Yes. Well, I hope our friendship talk on friendship culture was helpful. We'll bring more guests soon.
Yes.
Alright, sun is about to set. We're gonna end this video. You remember how we end?
Yeah, of course. Keep smiling and keep hustling.
Gotta hustle every single day.
Gosh. That's not an image I like.